My name is Amanda Coleman and I'm here working on the Common Plot as one of the founders of the Common Plot.
Hi, I'm Steve and I'm part of the Common Plot.
So my name's Simon Floyd, I'm the creative director of the Common Lot Theatre Company.
So the Common Plot is it's a community shared gardening space. We're working together, all the food we grow here will be shared amongst the people that are growing it and amongst the local community.
At the moment it's been a small group of people, but they're now going to widen the membership to try and encourage a hearty group of people to come and enjoy some gardening.
I make theatre, I don't really know much about nature, but I know that what we're doing is a good thing. We're going to be all organic. We've got a set of bees in the corner over there. We're planting fruit trees, we're growing vegetables. We've got a nice wildlife pond, a nice deep wildlife pond, which will help us to keep pests down. We're going to grow bug hotels. In the fullness of time, we'll do all kinds of things.
We've become involved with Norfolk Wildlife Trust through our theatre company, the Common Lot. And that's where I've met Lee, who works for Norfolk Wildlife Trust. And today they've come to the plot to help us, to show us how to plant trees. And everybody that came to plant a tree has been allowed to take a couple of trees home with them.
So we're running a couple of workshops from the new shop that we've got up there on Milecross. Craft workshops and love nature workshops. And so we've got a nice partnership with Lee, who also comes to the Phoenix Centre where we're based and does work with the people there.
Why shouldn't people get involved with the Common Plot? It's a lovely environment, and to be able to grow your own food, see it from seed to the point that you can take it home and boil it. What's there not to love?
It's so beneficial for our well-being, and everybody that comes down here has found it. It's an open space. It's all the joy of gardening without the responsibility.
In order for people to get sort of environmentally concerned, they need to have an imagination for it. And so I think that's why what we're doing here is quite important, because it's not just about what you shouldn't be doing for the environment, it's what you could do for the environment and where your imagination can take you.
If I could just add, actually, that the kettle is always on. There's always cake.
Lovely tea and soup all the time.